Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to hide people from our life story. So for that we have to just go to our Instagram account over here, and then we have to just click on our your story over here. And once we are here, when I just go to live over here, you have to just first currently choose one of this from here. And after that you can see that on the right hand side there is a gear like option. You have to just click on that gear option, and from over here you can see over here that there is an option for a live over here. You have to click on that, and you can see over here that there is an option from which you can just hide live from. You have to just click on that, and you can select the person from which you have to just hide your story by just clicking on that, and that particular person will not be able to see your live story. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.